Fresh and light, up to 25% lighter with the same number of uses as other clumping litters. New Fresh and Light, changing litter. But you can help get rid of it fast with non-prescription Abreva. It's the only FDA-approved medicine to show lots of speed healing. In fact, it's the #1 pharmacist's recommended brand. Don't suffer from a cold sore longer than you have to. Help get rid of it fast. Abreva. Learn more at Abreva. So crunchy. It has crunchy stuff all over it. I can't get over how crunchy it is. It's like chicken and crunchy stuff got married. And it's amazing. French's French fried onions and my crunchy onion chicken. Just minutes to make. The difference is indescribable. Now in the